Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to message someone on Paxful. To message someone on Paxful, open the Paxful application and log into your account first. Navigate to the Trades tab at the bottom right corner if you have active trades, or you can also start a new trade. After you go ahead and select your trade, you will then be able to see the trade window with the user you want to message. Now look for the open chat option at the bottom, and in the chat section, you can type in your message and send it directly to the other user. Type in your text message and tap on the send button with a little aeroplane icon in it at the bottom right. And that is how you message someone on Paxful. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.